What's up, YouTube? Today I will be reacting to pulling fire alarms in public. Let's get into this video.
Don't pull the man. I don't care.
No, wait.
Alright, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it.
You're gonna leave.
You're not funny. Bro. Get out. Get out now!
Yeah, what's wrong?
What's going on?
This might be hilarious.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy. Oh my God, it's Young Mooch, man. Look, man, as y'all could tell by the title, I'm gonna be pulling fire alarms in public. Any place I go to, I'm gonna pull the fire alarm. Not literally. I got a fake fire alarm with me. I got this off Amazon,
Fake
y'all.
fire alarm.
And I'm gonna go to different stores and locations. I'm gonna put this on their wall, and I'm gonna pretend like I'm about to pull their fire alarm. And we're gonna get the employees' reactions and stuff. I don't know how this video is gonna be, but
Yeah,
that'd be like a little good idea, man. Road to 1 million subscribers. Hit the like button. That's all I'm asking. Just subscribe and hit the like button. Matter of fact, if you don't enjoy this video, you don't even gotta subscribe. You don't even gotta like the video. But if you enjoy it, if I make you laugh in this video, you gotta subscribe and like. Look, man. Oh, and I dropped some merch, y'all. Yeah, see, I'm rocking this. This is hard. Personally, I really like this hoodie. Keep going. First link in description. And yeah, man, let's go put some fire alarms. We going.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it.
I'm actually addicted to pulling fire alarms, and I see that you got one right there. I'm gonna pull it.
No, you don't pull it. Don't pull it.
Huh?
If you pull it, the cops are gonna come.
I'm about to do it. I'm gonna say it was you though.
No.
I'm gonna run away.
Don't pull it, please. Please don't pull it. I'll get him. Don't pull the man. I don't care.
He's trying to
Don't
stop.
pull it.
Don't pull it.
All right. I'm just addicted to it.
What? You need to go somewhere else.
Okay.
To
You
leave.
need to go ahead and leave.
Can I please pull it?
No.
Please.
No.
Please, let me pull it. Let me pull it.
Trying to stop him.
Alright, okay, relax.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna
You're
do it.
gonna leave.
Okay, I'll leave. I'll leave. My car is that way. Sir. Can I please pull it?
He said no.
Why are you being that ass? Why are you being that ass?
Dude, let go. It hurts.
I know it's pumpkin.
Please. How can I get a drink?
Leave that.
I will if you give me a drink. Let's do it. Let's pull the devil. We're gonna blame it. Hey, look. It's fake, buddy. Look.
It's a
buddy,
prank. It's
look.
a prank.
It's fake. Look. It was a toy. It was a toy. It was a toy, buddy. Look.
Yeah,
It's a prank around.
It was a toy.
Because
It was a toy, literally. It was a toy.
We have a problem.
It was a toy. Slide, devil. Slide. Keep recording it. No, I had a toy, and he thought it was a real thing. Like, I got a toy, like fake toy. He thought it was real.
Purchase and leave.
All right, thank you.
You should be fine.
Thank you. Excuse me. How you doing? I'm doing great. I'm in. Huh?
No, you couldn't.
Nah, he vlogs me. I need some assistance though.
What?
Huh?
What?
For your number?
No.
That made you smile though.
Yeah, that's funny.
I'm about to dip though, but I'm gonna take your number and like leave type shit. I can't get to know you?
No. Some of you got somebody else that. No.
I didn't.
You're lying.
I promise today I did. I didn't today, right? Nah.
What's gonna lie for you? You have a great one though. Nice to meet you.
I don't think I asked for nobody's number today.
Okay.
You like it?
Can I get one?
You want one?
Yeah.
For real?
Yes.
I got you.
Okay.
Come on. Oh no, don't worry about this. I just kidding.
Prank.
Oh my God.
Like this.
The YouTuber is giving me his
She know he
Keep
did
it
too.
going.
Yeah, here.
Sweatshirt.
Here.
Thank you.
You gotta throw it on real quick for them.
For the, okay.
That's actually my merch, my brand.
Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
You keep it. You don't want it?
Hell yeah. I want it. I do.
You mess with it?
This color.
Yeah. You look good in that.
Yeah, I like that. Appreciate
Tell them
it.
to buy this hoodie and link in the description.
Hey, buy this. Where's the link?
And it's gonna be in my channel description.
Alright.
Keep going, y'all. Buy this.
Keep going.
Look how
Buy
beautiful
this. It's nice, soft.
Is right? Is
love
it?
it.
Be honest. It's soft, right?
It's soft.
It's so soft. I'm
It's
telling
really
you.
soft. So
Yeah, man.
please buy it.
Please buy
Link
it.
in the bio.
Yes. Link it.
in
Link
bio.
it. There you go. Link in the bio.
Alright.
That's all about positivity, giving back. You know, hit the subscribe button.
That's what this is about.
W reactions, W video. Home Depot is the place for pranks. You trying to start a YouTube channel? Go to Home Depot and prank some people. Excuse me, sir. How you doing? Do you speak English?
No.
No? Okay. Yeah, hit the like button, subscribe. I made you laugh, so you gotta hit the subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button.
Please don't push that.
Huh?
Please don't push that.
What do you mean?
I see you trying to push it.
Oh, you saw that?
Yes. Can you please not do that?
That's because I'm addicted to pulling fire alarm.
No, but please
don't
don't.
want to push
No,
it.
please don't do that.
Huh?
They'll come.
Okay, I won't do
And
it.
yeah, please don't.
Yeah, I also have a fire extinguisher.
No, please don't touch that.
Okay,
Don't
yeah.
touch that either.
I can't believe you saw me.
No.
I won't do it.
Don't do that.
I'm addicted to fire, please.
No, please don't.
Please.
No, do you?
Can I get the manager?
I am the store manager.
Ma'am, I'm good.
Are you serious?
Yes, please. I'm addicted to pulling fire. I'm addicted to pulling fire alarms. Can I just do it?
Where's this gonna go? Is this gonna go on your YouTube?
No.
What's your name?
For our OnlyFans.
For your OnlyFans.
Yes.
Dominate. You're a grown adult. Come on.
I live by this motto, never grow up.
I know, that's so cute. Hey, I have a lot of customers in the store. I need to get
Okay, I won't do it. Look, it's fake.
No.
Look, it's fake. It has
Oh my
fake.
God.
It's a fake.
Why are you doing that?
TikTok. I'm so sorry.
Seriously?
You can tell that it's a fake. It's literally fake.
Well, why are y'all embarrassing?
So it's a fake one.
Why are you playing like this?
It's a fake one. Be a good sport. Come
I'm
on.
such a good sport all the time.
I feel bad. I'm not gonna lie. So sorry.
Because,
I'm so sorry. Can't you make it out? Be a good sport.
yes, we don't
I would never do such a thing.
Bro. Nah. Get out. Get out. I don't know why you fucking being trying to be funny.
Why are you grabbing me?
Bro, because I'm telling you, you can't fucking touch it. Get the fuck out. You're fucking funny. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Bro, I don't know why the fuck you think that.
I'm gonna do it fast.
Bro.
I'm about to do it.
I'm telling
She
you.
know he's trying to
No.
be funny.
Please let
She
go.
said no. She like, get out.
Get out. Get out. I'm gonna call the cops.
Why?
I have a fucking button there. Cops will come in 2 minutes. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Y'all real funny.
Just let us do it.
Y'all are dumb as fuck. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Get the
You want
fuck
the video?
out. Get the fuck out.
Alright, if you let me go.
Don't fucking touch the firefighter.
I can't promise that.
You guys are real fucking annoying.
I'm gonna pull it, I'm gonna run. And it's gonna like, come on, that'll be a funny video. Pulling fire alarms in public.
No.
She's kind of strong, guys.
She's strong.
Nobody think
And
my
that's
shit.
a girl. She's strong.
Alright, let go of me. Alright.
Leave.
Alright.
Leave. Bro, fucking leave. I'm dead ass. You're not funny. You're not funny. Bro. Leave. Leave.
Alright, I'm leaving, guys.
Leave now.
Alright,
Leave.
Okay.
Leave.
You know if you hit me with that, you're going to
Does it look
jail.
like I'm gonna hit you with that?
That'd be assault if you hit me.
I wasn't gonna hit you with this shit. Get out. Bro, get out. Bro, get out.
Kiss. I'll leave if you give me a kiss.
Fuck no.
I promise I'll leave.
Fuck no. The fuck would look like I'm gonna kiss you.
Alright, let's go, guys.
Bro, fucking go.
She's.
Go.
I have
Where
to.
the fucking go? Leave right now.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm not gonna fucking leave.
Okay.
Leave.
Just hug.
Leave.
Hug.
Bro,
I'll leave if you give me a number.
fuck no.
Then I have to do it.
Bro, fucking leave.
But let me pull it. It'll be great content.
Nobody gives a fuck about your content.
Firefighters will come.
Nobody gives a fuck.
I mean, I have 10. I have about 25
Bro, at
subscribers
this
now.
point, you're trespassing because I told you.
You're not letting me go.
Bro, I've been telling you to fucking leave and you're not leaving. So at this point, you're trespassing.
But
you
I
want to fucking leave now?
I'm about to hit 30 subscribers.
I don't fucking care.
It's 30.
I don't give a fuck. Leave. You're trespassing. Leave. You're trespassing. You know
I'm glad
that.
I subscribed to Shami because he already knows with YouTube, in order to grow, you gotta be uncomfortable, and he's at 200K subs. I messed with
I
him.
fucking call the cops right now and the fucking press the button. You're going to
Can I see
jail.
my phone, bro? I'm just gonna take her number down. We're gonna be like.
Bro, leave. Right now.
Alright.
No fucking take her number down.
Yeah, just give me the number.
No.
You're gonna give it to me.
Leave out, for real. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out now! Get out! You think that because it's on your fucking phone that is funny? No, leave.
It was a fake fire alarm. It's our fire alarm. It's Be a good sport, come on. It's fake, literally, look. Tape, it's a toy. It opens up.
Leave.
Let's come bring it in.
No.
Come on, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No.
Come on, I feel that.
No.
I'm so sorry.
Why do you guys think that shit's funny? That shit's not funny.
I'm sorry.
That shit's not funny at all. That shit's kind of actually garbage.
Okay, can I give you a
What
hug?
kind of fucking content is that? Y'all think that shit funny?
I give you a hug.
Y'all think that?
I apologize. I'm so
No.
sorry. You're good. Okay, I'm leaving. Can I give you one?
No, you can't.
Fist bump. I want to know good terms.
No.
Be a good
Trying to leave him good
It was a
terms.
joke. It was a little harmless prank. Harmless. The most harmless prank. Just trying to get 30 subscribers.
Leave.
So sorry.
You go for your phone?
Oh yeah, my bad.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Get the fuck out.
Alright.
Don't fucking come back.
Don't wait, I think this is yours.
Don't fucking come back.
God, she was strong. She was strong, bro. Y'all don't say I'm weak. She was really strong, bro. Like the strength she had in her, she was really like that lady really went crazy. Look at this when she pulled me over. You get it? Look at this. Y'all, that lady did that. Like she pulled me over the glass. I was just letting her do her, you know. You feel me? But she really did that.
She was strong,
Crazy.
so.
Believe it. See what I just do for y'all? Like the content. It's crazy, man. Y'all gotta hit the like, share the video, subscribe.
Yeah.
It's
I
free.
gotta like,
Just hit the
share,
subscribe.
subscribe to this
Just hit the subscribe button, bro. And cop the merch too, by the way. It's just mad comfortable. Keep going. We gonna keep going. Even though she made me bleed, we just gonna keep going. You feel me? On to the next. We go. Look, injured right now, but we're at Barnes and Noble's libraries. I feel like these people might trip. I don't know. Got the fire alarm right here. This time, I'm gonna try to get a lot of people here. But we're about to go in here, so hopefully this get a good little reaction
Well,
here.
let's see how the library, what their reaction
How you
will
doing?
be.
Excuse me. I get a little waterfall. Nah. But yeah, man, I'm gonna catch you in there.
You alright?
Oh, funny, hit off, Eddie, yo.
What's going on?
I just love fire alarms.
Okay, so
Please.
do the fire alarm at a different place.
I have to do it here.
What? I'm sorry. Sir, excuse me.
I have to.
Yo, hey, yo, he's walking over. Yo, funniest.
What's going on?
I just love fire alarms.
Okay, so
Please.
do the fire alarm at a different place.
And he saw the camera.
What? I'm sorry. Sir, excuse me.
I have to.
I was trying to do the fire alarm now. I don't know what's going on.
I have to.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. I'm ready.
I think you need to leave, sir.
Okay, let's leave.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Look what's
I'm
going on.
not sorry. We can't.
Okay.
Yeah. So, sir.
Okay, let's not do that.
God, you're trying trying to start a family and you're worried about people grabbing you?
Sir, I need you to leave the store.
I'm addicted to the sound.
I don't care. We can't have you do that.
Can you please let go?
I will let go, but you
If
cannot.
you want to hug me, you
You cannot
can.
charge me.
What do you mean?
You cannot charge me or through here. Through here. Call
So,
me.
we need you to leave. Sir.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
Do you want to call
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Let me slide up here. I'm just gonna have to go over this, all three of them. That's my property.
Yo.
I need you to leave here.
I'm just gonna have to go over this, all three of them. It's my property. Can I get my property, please? It's not a real firearm. It's my property. It has tape behind it.
No. You don't do that.
Oh, yeah, and
I need you to leave the store, sir. I need you to leave the store. I just need you to leave the store.
I was doing my TikTok and I was trying to see if it was
I don't care if it's TikTok.
Can I just leave? Can I get my property and leave?
You're causing disturbance in the store.
I'm literally trying to leave. I'm trying.
No, you can leave.
You can leave right now.
Alright.
This is it for this video.